In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and understand your email campaign report in Mailchimp. First, log into your Mailchimp account using your usual credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation panel. In that menu, find the option labeled Campaigns and click it. This will open a list of all your email campaigns. Locate the specific campaign you want to review. On the right side of that campaign's row, you'll see a button or link that says View Report. Go ahead and click that to open the detailed report for that campaign. You're now on the report page for your email. Scroll down a little and you'll notice you're on the Overview tab. This tab gives you a snapshot of how your email performed. The first tile you see is all about email performance. Here, you'll find your open rate, click rate, bounce rate, and unsubscribe rate. These percentages help you quickly gauge how people interacted with your email. Below those main numbers, you'll see more detailed statistics. You'll find the total number of deliveries, total opens, the time it was last opened, how many times it was forwarded, clicks per unique opens, total clicks, the time it was last clicked, and any abuse reports. If you have e-commerce connected to Mailchimp, this same area will also show you order rate, the number of orders, average order revenue, and total revenue driven by that campaign. These metrics are especially useful if your goal is to generate sales from your emails. Next, look at the tile labeled 24-hour performance snapshot. This shows how your email performed over the first day after it was sent. You can change what metric is displayed here by clicking the field at the top right of the tile. From there, choose from different options under engagement, delivery, and e-commerce. This lets you focus on the data that matters most to you, whether that's opens, clicks, or revenue. The following tile is click performance, which shows where people clicked inside your email. After that, you'll see email benchmarking, which compares your campaign's performance to similar businesses, helping you understand whether your results are above or below average. The last tile in this section shows top locations by opens, so you can see where your most engaged audience is located geographically. Now scroll back up to the top of the report page. You'll notice several tabs you can explore: click performance, recipient activity, e-commerce, social, and deliverability. Click into each of these tabs to see more specific reports. For example, you can see exactly who opened and clicked, detailed e-commerce results, social shares, and how successfully your email was delivered. And that's it. You now know how to access and understand your Mailchimp email campaign report.